time continuum. Forget your place in line at minimum. And hopefully you notice the fresh kicks, the way they play with the snare light. Your world could be a paradise if you learn how to wear it right. And don't be scared at night when the clock says 99 Fahrenheit. Your life's so dope that conventions don't matter. It's just lots of flirts and lots of laughter. Trips to Paris and Alaska. Get careless and end up in Nebraska. Spend 3 years raising alpacas and putting lots of gin up in your Shastas. Hey yo, Matt's here, have a craft beer. Lots of calories to burn like your salaries. I speak Valerian to Valkyries, then I fly to Valhalla on the backs of the falcon geese. Web talons, they're good for fishing. Zen and balance, good for pitching. The interweb is only good for bitching and porn and involuntary twitching. The moral of the story is tell jokes and have good times with swell folks. Make art even if it don't sell, and live like a king to stay in hotels. If I don't quit, they don't quit. Pleasure. The birds don't stop, bees don't stop, we don't stop. When the beat's so hot, she don't stop, he don't stop, we don't stop, never.
I leave the choice up to you. We ain't doing nothing, just me and my crew. Me and my stew, what me and mine do. Freedom to do whatever it is you want to. We gon' be living it up, getting lifted, and we can find the meaning to life if you like. It's kinda nice when you can touch the sky. Put two in the air and just ride. Put it out of your mind for a while. Ooh, I love this life. Can we just go back to last night when it felt like the stars aligned? I'm never giving this up, listen hard enough.
You can even hear the music when it's quiet. Suddenly the whole world becomes vibrant. Hear the whole universe in the silence.
Open up your eyes. Welcome back to earth and right now. Feet on the ground with my head in the clouds. A weed smoke that keeps going around. So turn the music up cause I came to get down. Just nod your heads to the sound of boom bops and bass playing loud. Scratch breaks can move the whole crowd. Take the party with us when the club shuts down. We go. Take time. Take time and love. Time to clear your mind. It's alright. It's all alright. It's all for you.
Yo, I stay on, and she stay on, he stay on, whole world stay on, peace stay on, so we stay on, the freak stays on forever. Yo, I'm so high, she's so high, V gon' drop, the beat right here, we stay fresh, she stay fresh, he stay fresh, we out.
I wonder if in 50 years or so the music that we made will still be played on your radios. It's okay though, trying to top those has never been the inspiration for my hot flows. Ain't that something you should know? Don't wanna write a sequel, trying to trump my prequel. I am my only equal, and it seems as a people we all strive for something new. Traverse the universe when it's right the fuck in front of you. The point of view of hip-hop is askew. How can we blame the people when it's we who have been lied to? It's what I have been called upon to do. Music brings me back to my roots. Constellations in my eyes be my guide to the truth. Periodically I question it, yeah, we are the proof. And poof, be gone all who choose to refuse it. I see you bobbing, so you know there's something to it.
We got brick sidewalks, a fish fried soul, and a citywide heart. And on these bricks I walk, wonder what they say if these bricks could talk. We are the ground we walk on. 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 With the barbecue smoke leads to baseball and beers. It's us against the world and we taste all your tears. And I have been delivered by my peers. Found the magic in the local water, heard all the cheers. And I fit in like a square piece of pizza. Still handing out flyers, it's really nice to meet ya. And I'm still not charging for features. If you want a hot 16 that kills, let's build. Stickers on street signs and bathroom stalls. Heads full of memories and yes, yes, y'alls. We put it on a dub plate, the test press styled. The best of us step it up, the rest just fall. And I found love in a divey little pub where you can't hear the bass cause there ain't no sub. And the band's underpaid like welcome to the club. In flyover we do shows for exposure. I am astonished by the depth in which you rock it. Your cogs and your sprockets are burning like a comet. And you're a household name in my apartment. I celebrate your bright light, I like how you spark it. We got a heritage that makes you wanna stare at it. The vast majority remains unheralded. Local legends, pirates and heretics. And we still out here making fire with the parent sticks. We got brick sidewalks, a fish fried soul, and a citywide heart. And on these bricks I walk, wonder what they say if these bricks could talk. We are the ground we walk on. 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 We got brick sidewalks, a fish fried soul, and a citywide heart. And on these bricks I walk, wonder what they say if these bricks could talk. We are the ground we walk on. We are the ground we walk on. We are the ground we walk on. We are the ground we walk on.
I gotta run errands, might as well enjoy it, right?